Trending on Procyon Radio and Television. I am Sarah Akpo, Mko or rather a music comedian. Welcome to Trending today.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for joining us. Femi Falana reacts after Uzo Kalu told Tinubu to declare Mko as president. Put his portrait in Aso Rock. El-Rufai won't decide 2027 election. Kaduna Commissioner. Femi Falana reacts after Uzo Kalu told Tinubu to declare Mko as president. Put his portrait in Aso Rock. Human rights lawyer and senior advocate of Nigeria, SAN, Femi Falana, has reacted after the senator representing Abia North at the National Assembly, Orji Uzo Kalu, told President Tinubu to declare Mko Abiola as president. Uzo Kalu's statement is coming after former head of state Ibrahim Babangida said Abiola won the June 12 presidential election. He was quoted as saying that, yes, Abiola won the election, and I will say President Tinubu should declare him a president posthumously. Since Abiola won, his picture should be placed among Nigerians' past presidents. I commend former President Buhari for giving him a national honor, but I also appeal to President Tinubu to officially recognize him and place his images where it belongs. However, Falana was quoted as, since 1993, he has been recognized by the people of Nigeria as an elected president. These guys who try to set the hands of the clock back are just recognizing that now. Thank you.
The action of the way Femi Falana reacted to Uzo Kalu, to me, is his opinion. What Uzo Kalu was saying is that since Babangida has admitted that Abiola won the election, and now he's now telling the president Bola Ahmed Tinubu to declare him president officially, put his picture in Aso Rock. That one is documented into our constitution. So when they are mentioning the past president of the country, they'll be talking about Abiola as a former president. That is what Uzo Kalu was saying. But now Femi Falana, who is a son, see the way he's attacking what Uzo Kalu just said now. He said that Nigeria.
Was it an attack? I'm not sure. It wasn't an attack.
It's an attack.
Just reacting to it.
It's an attack. We see the name that he called that he just wake up. That Nigeria as we have already recognized Abiola. You can't compare recognize with sitting president declare Abiola as president. Backing with the constitution. Femi Falana, who is a son, and see what he's saying, and see what Uzo Kalu was saying, that he should be recognized officially. What Uzo Kalu is saying, he is a politician. A renowned politician, they know how to put something straight. That's why I say that. The president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, should officially recognize MKO as Nigeria president back with the constitution and put his portrait in the Aso Rock.
All right.
That our children in future we hear the history and they be recognized as a former president of this country.
All right, thank you, Angel. El-Rufai won't decide 2027 election. Kaduna Commissioner. The Kaduna State Commissioner for Local Government and Chieftaincy Affairs, Sadiq Mamman, has said it is only God that will decide the outcome of the 2027 election and not the immediate past governor of the state, Nasir El-Rufai. This was as he advised the former governor to steer clear of the affairs of the state. The commissioner also criticized El-Rufai's recent comments against President Bola Tinubu and his successor in Kaduna, Governor Uba Sani. Thank you.
According to Sadiq Mamman, Lagos, he said that El-Rufai will not decide 2027 election. El-Rufai will decide 2027 election. El-Rufai has decided election before in Kaduna. There was a declaration that Asiru won the election of PDP. People were jubilating when they see where the result is going to. They were jubilating that Asiru has won, but El-Rufai came and changed the figure. So people knows that Kaduna knows that El-Rufai decided that election. That is why you see Sunny ruling now, and Mama Sadiq is commissioner. So why are you saying that he should stay clear of the Kaduna state? That is your father in Kaduna. He is the one that decided the election, that brought you people there. So you cannot tell El-Rufai now to keep short. He can decide the election. God will not come down to decide the election. Politicians decide the election. They know how to do it, to give you noodles, give you money to be. So what are you saying? We are still in 2025, but now they are now branding motto of 2027. What are we saying? The work is still on the ground. They were not doing anything. They were just be perambulating up and down. People are still feeling, crying over there. There's no more. There's no money. There's no work. There's no food. And now they are branding motto. They are talking of 2027. Who will decide? Who will not decide? Is that what we need now? Let's go to the serious business of the state and the country.
Thank you, MQ.
Thank you very much for having me.
Thank you for coming to Trending today. Thank you for watching us. Trending on Procyon Radio and Television. I am Sarah Abo. Please do subscribe, like, share, and also drop your comments on our YouTube channel, Procyon RTV. Keep shining like the star you are.